Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to tug these different color of threads one over another like this. We are going to tie a knot, so fold it and put it inside the loop. Look how we are doing here in a circle. Here we are going to use colorful threads. After putting the end inside the loop, we are going to pull it tightly like this. Finally, we are going to remove the yellow color of thread. Now we are going to pull it tightly and look, it's done. We are going to cover this marble using nylon thread. First, take the marble and put it in between two fingers. Here we are going to roll this blue color of nylon rope around the finger, first from the top portion, then around the fingers like this. After this, we are going to use this gray color of nylon thread. Now we are going to cover the marble from the top. Here we are going to put one end of the nylon thread inside the blue loop like this. Here we are going to repeat the same process 3 to 4 times. Look how we are doing here in this video. After covering it from the top portion, we are going to pull the blue color of nylon thread. Here we are going to cover it completely from the sides. After pulling it from all its sides, we are going to cut the extra part, and using this lighter, we are going to fix the loose ends. After this, we are going to tie a knot. So fold the blue color of nylon thread, and using this brown color, we are going to roll it at the top, remove it from the end and pull it tightly, and look, your knot is ready. Cut the extra part and look, it's done. Here we are going to make a keychain using nylon thread. Let's get started. So take this yellow color of nylon thread. We are going to make the chain of the car keys. Put it inside the hole and pull it tightly. Now we are going to make a knot at the top of it, and look, it's done. Here we are going to take this multicolor nylon thread. You can take a single color as well. So take two loops and remove the end of the nylon thread through the loop and make a knot by pulling it. After making the knot, we are going to overlap it one over another and make this leaf pattern, and remove the end through the small hole at the center. Look how we are doing here. After this, we are going to pull it tightly, and look, your design is ready. You can use it in so many ways. You can make the keychain using this. Look how we are doing here. Second design is simply the leaf one. You don't have to make the knot. Look how we are overlapping both the end and removing it through the middle portion, and it's done. First, we are going to put both ends through the hole of the key. Now we are going to tie a knot at the center. Look, you have to pull it tightly and make 4 partitions like this. After pulling it tightly, we are going to overlap each side one over another again and pull it tightly this time as well. You can also make the ends loose by pulling it, and it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video.